Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Sista Chic fall collection, and this one's called The Legend of Lizzy Borden. And Miss Sista Chic says that if you've never watched the original film with Elizabeth Montgomery, you really should. It's a great Halloween movie. So let's just hop on into the polishes. I will be swatching these today. I have already put swatch dot caps on my DIY swatches on here, so these do not come with the bottles. They are 12 milliliter, 4 ounce, or point, no, 4 ounce. So I'm going to get started. We've got this first one, and this is the namesake of the collection, and this is The Legend of Lizzy Borden. And this is a gorgeous deep blood red Crelly with black shard glitter and orange and gold micro glitter. This one is just so pretty. Next we have Lizzy Borden Took an Axe, and this one is described as a terracotta linear holographic, and this one's got a great formula. All of them have great formulas, but you know, this one's really look at that. Oh, bumping you around, sorry. The next one we have, it's got the cutest name. It's called Whacking Relatives and Other Pastimes. This is a dusty blue-gray with purple hexes, holographic glitter, and holographic diamond glitter, gold glass fleck, and a tiny kiss of bar glitter. She's representing those axe marks, you know, with those little bar glitters. Isn't that pretty? Next we have When She Saw What She Had Done, and this is a Zay-free blue stunner, and it's got a shifting rainbow in it. This one's gorgeous. It's got rainbow hexes, metallic orange hexes, purple metallic hexes, metallic blue hexes, and a smattering of bar glitter. This one is very, very pigmented, and it is highly recommended that you use double up base coat, or at least, you know, do a good base coat. And the last one we have here is The House and Fall River. And this is a blackened moss green with a ton of gold glass fleck. And she says that this is just the right mix for that don't go in that room vibe. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm going to quit yakking. I'm going to get everything rocking so we can get these swatches and you can see them live and going on the nails. So all of these are going to be launched on October 1st, and they will be $10 a bottle except for the holographic. This one's going to be $12. There are limited editions available while supplies last. And remember that Sista Chic is 10 free, vegan, and cruelty free. A portion of sales goes to Project Rescue. And I also want to announce that Sista Chic has raised $200 from the Embrace the Pink collection, which was donated to the American Cancer Foundation. So any of y'all that have, you know, been helping and buying from Sista Chic, you are making a difference in the lives of people. A lot of the monies goes towards, you know, really great causes. So, like I said, I'm going to quit yakking, and we're going to get swatching. Thank you. Okay, here we go with our first coat of The Legend of Lizzy Borden. This one is just really, really nice. I think this might be, this might be my favorite from the collection. And it's so different and unusual. I think it's going to be a great Halloween polish. So there we go. We've got 2 coats of that. Here it is swatched on its own with a glossy top coat and a little bit of nail art. So next we have Lizzy Borden Took an Axe, and I'm a hollow junkie, so I really like this one. It's a wonderful shade for fall and hollow. So 2 easy, beautiful coats of this one. Another amazing formula. And there it is on its own, and with a little nail art. The next one here is just so cool. Whacking Relatives and Other Pastimes. Probably my favorite name in the collection. And this one's just, again, I mean, I can't tell you how much I love the formulas and the combinations that Miss Debbie over at Sista Chic does. Beautiful, beautiful. Another easy 2 coats here. And here you go with a swatch of the glossy top coat and some nail arts. The next one is a really fun one. And this one's when she saw what she had done. And this one's really cool. I like it. This is another favorite. 2 beautiful easy coats. So smooth and nice. Love it. There's the swatch photo of it on its own and with some nail art. And finally, we have the last one, the House and Fall River. This one is really a Halloween polish, fall polish. It's just perfect. It reminds me of the China Glaze. I guess it was Zombie Zest. Ugh, it's just not really. It's not a dupe of it, but it's just in that family. So there we go with our beautiful easy coat of that one. Look at that. Awesome. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed my swatches. Leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to check out the link down below for Sista Chic.